Yeah.
Merong relaxing. At hindi pa kayo, kung meron na hindi pa kayo nakakilala or effective to work together, kung ba kayo
Careful na.
Kasi kung movie lang ng relaxing, syempre. Kung meron na hindi pa kayo nagkakailangan, since first time mo ng partner.
Syempre it's a love story, so talagang dapat na ipakita kung ano yung kung paano talaga nagkailangan si Meg and Ryan. And of course, it's not meant to be. Nagkailangan, well, honestly, love scenes are some of the most awkward scenes that you can possibly do. I get asked a lot kung nagselos ba si ganito. But sa totoo lang, ang hirap din talaga na tanggalin sa isip mo na napakadaming taong nanonood. And so, it's really up to the two of you to trust each other and try your best to make each other feel comfortable. Kasi nga, there are so many factors why you should be uncomfortable. Conscious ka sa katawan mo, conscious ka kasi nandito, katabing-katabi lang ng face mo yung cameraman, diba? So, may mga ganon. But if ever may ilang factor naman, it's not because of JC. Definitely was a gentleman the whole time, made me feel as comfortable as possible. But you can't be fully comfortable in a love scene. It's impossible. Hindi din kaya.
Yeah, tama naman po. Uncomfortable naman talaga. Kasi, me, personally, I take it like a choreography. We just want to set it like it's happening when it's really not. So, as much as possible, talagang, dun stick lang ako sa choreography. So, wala naman talaga usually, pag gano'n, mahirap na yan eh. You're thinking about a lot of things in just one scene. So, as much as possible, mas technical siya. So, and I have to respect your co-actors and everybody around. So, it's a multitasking work. So, when mahirap, uncomfortable mo.
Thank you, Meg and Ryan.
Ganun lang. Ganun lang. Ayaw, balik yung mic po.
Actually, Jai, kasama po namin dito si Cedric Juan.
Yes.
At si Steven Bansin. Si Cedric po, ito yung time na to, hindi pa siya nanalo ng Best Actor sa Dimension.
Wow.
Kasi kung nanalo na siya, nasa kanya yung role nito. Joke!
Yes.
Siya na si Meg at si Ryan.
Oo. Multiverse. Gano'n. Oo, yes. May Jem, yes.
Of course, ito pa ang isang nagkamarisol na kanya.
Bakit ako kayo kapag
Ganun ba?
Yes, to direct. Direct, bakit nakagalan bago
Well, yung actually sobrang naging challenge kasi sa akin yung timing. Because a lot of our movies right now, local films, halos ang daming mga balita or nakita naman natin sa TV sa theaters. So I'm looking for a proper timing for the film. At the same time, like I shared naman, sobra akong emotional kasi talagang kinumpleto ko yung gusto kong makuha sa requirements ko, sa vision ko, sa film. So, nandito ako siya sa editing, sa post, everything that I have to consider when it comes to FRCP, the music, everything na gusto kong makuha ng tama at naaayon naman sa plano or emotion film. Hindi naman siya ganun katagal, it's just that all filmmaking na planning, consider yung proper timing. So I guess this is the timing that I need. And sana nga po, tama yung timing namin. Hopefully, magkaroon ng magandang ma-appreciate yung viewers natin, yung mensahe na gusto namin i-share sa inyo.
to JC and Rina. Ang dami na rin kasi mga ginawa movies na love stories, di ba? So what made you decide to accept this film? Ano yung kaibahan sa ibang love stories or other films na nagawa nila?
Ako? First, yun, bago sa akin itong script na ito, na-enjoy ko siya. Habang pinabasa ko siya, naramdaman ko na yung kilig and I really wanted to work with Direct Catherine over here, sinabi nila sa akin na si Rian yung kasama. Sabi ko, okay, this is gonna be a totally different flavor. Kahit nung pinapanood ko yung trailer, sabi ko, oh, iba. Kasi I like to watch myself as the third person. So parang, oh, parang interesting yung flavor na to, na magkasama silang dalawa na, oh, ano kaya ang may bibigay na feeling? It's usually, pag nanonood yung love story, it's a different string na napupull sa'yo, di ba? It's a different